All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's going on? It is Wednesday, June 11th. Man, this month is flying by. We got to make some money. um, so I have KZIA, HSDT, which I mean, this is all I'm expecting. Like, this is the top. Because, I mean, it's underneath all the trading volume, all of it. But we got a little gap there. So, I mean, I'm basically watching it just for that, which it would need to be over 185. I'm not expecting much from this at all. It's just watching it pretty much. And then INEO, kind of the same situation. It really needed above 196. And then maybe we can get up to 328 and then see where it goes from there. I don't think we should have too much of a problem squeezing past that. But yeah, line in the sand for sure is 196, basically $2. $2. What else? I did not figure out what this line was. I'm pretty sure it's for the demo account. But we're going to make sure when I place a trade that the numbers come off of this one and not this one. What is up with the market these days? Hey, a nice little uptrend here. Wow, we're almost near all-time highs, huh? Interesting. 613.23. Okay. All right, there is the bell. So it's a long bell. What's up, Leon? The mode is, well, let's get that off. What's up, 3 Pony? 6:45, gang. No trades until 6:45. 5-minute entries only. I'm waiting for the EMA reset. And higher high, higher low, and the volume, all that good stuff. But yeah, man. No laws, bro. No laws. 9:45, gang. I'm done at 11 too, man. Oh, we definitely trading good today, man. That's the only way we can make money. Like, it's the only way. Everything else is gambling and just squandering money. Just like throwing it out to the market. Like, it's not just like random. You're not gonna randomly make money consistently. Like, you have to be consistent. So yeah, man, sitting back, just waiting for this little guy right here, man. 9:45, 5-minute entries, waiting for my EMA reset, and then looking for that first higher high and the higher low to hold the previous high, along with increasing volume from the buyer side. Stop under the low, and we selling, bro. I'm getting really good at looking at the closer profit targets and not trying to hold for the moon. But now I just need to sell more shares at those targets. So I'm trying to get, I want at least 3/4 of my position gone before the first pullback, like when it starts running. So try to be a little more aggressive. I think if I just do halves on all my sale, like if I do 3 executions and sell half on each one, that'll be pretty good. That'll leave me with like, what, an eighth. Yeah. But yeah, 9:45 is like just the act of sitting and waiting and deciding to do nothing until that happens. It really sets up a nice day of patience. Just knowing that I'm not doing anything right now. All I'm doing is watching. Yeah, yeah. And I'm honestly, I'm trying to not think about the R's so much. You know what I mean? Like for example, if I get this thing, if this thing is going, like if I were to take it just randomly, if I was going to get in right now, my first target would be, well, it would have to be $2, but I would be looking to sell near these tops. But because it's the whole dollar, I would try to sell under $2, which of course I would be selling at 196 or lower. And then I would look for the next high, maybe sell some at this peak, and then for sure pre-market high. Um, yeah, that part too. Go ahead and put your foot in the water. The water's fine, Wave Rider. um, yeah, it's definitely a mixture of both. It's definitely a mixture of both. And I'm trying to get myself to lean more to just selling. And we'll sort out the R's at the end. But yeah, I think I remember doing something almost exactly like that. I feel like my first sale might have been at 2R, but it also might have been in 1R. I remember like when this is like back in 2022, but I was selling. Yeah, you sell before 1R, it's like, bro, you got nothing. You get out of the trade and realize you did nothing. You did a bunch of work and got nothing out of it. Hey, see, look at this. This is that 5 minute orb setup right here. So you got the EMA reset in pre-market, and now you can get in, stop under there, triggers right there. That's my idea for the 5 minute opening range breakout. So this is some data collection I'm about to do here and collect this screenshot because this is my my mental playbook I'm creating for this 5 minute opening range breakout play. I think this is it right here. But I'm gonna just take a screenshot and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I actually started to draw a line on KZIA at 10 because this is like a clear level right here. I think that'd be a good spot where it should hold up. I'm telling you, this 5 minute ORB, we talking about just to 185, like hella R's. What's this low? 151, entry 157. I'll probably do 149 on the stop. But yeah, I'm super curious. If you did 149 to 157, that's an 8 cent stop. So 16 cent over 157. So we only need like 77. 73 actually. Bro, that's gravy, bro. Look at this, man. Let's see though. Stop would have been 149. It just went 1 cent lower. Is it gonna hold? I mean, really, it should be down here if you're gonna use your stop, but let's see. KZIA's float is 0.43 million. From what I got over here in my scanner, 400K. And still holding up. This trend line break though, that mug is gravy, bro. Look at that. Oh yeah. What else we got? INEO over here. Okay. A little something. Nice little EMA reset again. Yeah, it's super low. Super low. Honestly, this is where the volume's at right here. 158. Yeah, that makes sense for real. Makes a lot of sense. Look at that, bro. Stop loss held at 149. It's got to hold again though. 875 to 90. Yeah, I'm glad it's coming back down to that EMA, but man, the dippity dip. I wish I had the courage to get that dip like Leon be getting. This looks pretty good though. Yeah, it's definitely struggling. I mean, it's not doing bad, bro. Over 165 is good. Is it? I don't know. I'm not used to trading the dollars. Ooh, look at it. KZIA. Did you grab that dip on KZIA? Or you wanted 930? Oh. Who does, Trey? Oh, HSDT? Yo, that looked nice, man. Yo, it's about to go. Wait. Wait. Got 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and KZIA look like it wanna go. Crushed. Well, that 5 minute orb break sure would have. That's why we just collecting data, taking screenshots. This guy right here, though, you need to chill out for a second. Like the pullback there got slapped. Yeah, these little slaps right here not looking great. Mm-hmm. $22, man, that's such a wide range, man. It's like over a 50 cent stop, but this thing is moving massively. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what it's doing. Hmm. 176 to 196. Yeah, not good at all. Look at that though. Dang, man. We gotta wait on it for sure. 15 looks good. Kind of want to put the stop under here and just take it, but let's just be patient, man. It's just not a good entry right now. I want to take it off this trend line. I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Damn, that's damn near a higher day breakout, huh? Yep.
Order filled.
Good lord. Yeah, I should have waited for the. Well, I also could have put my stop in below the candle too. That probably would have helped. What's this low? 1025. That's so freaking low. Yeah, I'm hella tripping on that one. Nah, I missed the EMA reset on this one for sure. Definitely. Bruh. That's how easy it is, bro. EMA reset, higher high, higher low. Which, hmm. Got a double top at 1125. It's volume, the top two. Hmm. Oust.
Order filled.
Nah, ain't no way I'm messing with oust. Yeah, I like this trade. Yeah, I'm cool on oust. What's that? Oust must have a fantastic catalyst on HH. See, this is all I needed to wait for this, man. This candle was way too wide to enter in. Now we got the double test to the EMA, which is as good as a reset in my opinion. This is a much better trade to take, but the volume still is like super scary towards the sell side. It's a really great level though. NAOV. Man, it's still like a huge stop though. Yeah, it looks disgusting. That looks disgusting. Yeah, this thing got to get above 1125 to make a higher high. So that mug is kind of out for a while. NAOV. Finito. Finito. What's your average, HH? Did you say already? 1837. Hey, that's pretty nice, bro. Well, yeah, it's a nice candle right here. What's it gonna be? What up, Santa? What's going on, man? We were just asking about you like yesterday, bro. How you been, man? I was doing that thing, huh? Weird beeping? What's it gonna be? Looks decent. I mean, we had a little volume increase on this green candle and less volume on this red, but we still need some buyers to come in and push that thing up. It definitely seems like the buyers are showing up a little bit. Okay, got a little high there. Love to see that thing break 77. There we go. 79. High of day is 83. Yep. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is what it this the EMA reset that I was supposed to be waiting for too, Leon. Just like spazzed out on this trend line. Yeah, I spazzed out on the trend line a little bit. You know, players mess up. Man, I want to take this right here though. Got the higher high, higher low, stop under there, take the break over 160. What's this low? 149. Nice. Hmm. Almost want to slide up to there. But we're in a good spot. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. Wow, NAOVs are really nice, man. Nice trade, man. INEO. First target is 194. I almost took 25 shares off at high a day on GP, but it's such a close target. Like, you need more than that. Greedy target? It's literally 2R, bro. I did move this up kind of prematurely, though. What is this? 20 cent, bro. That's not that greedy. Yeah. Yeah, the volume's trash. It's really sad. I hate seeing this like as a sell, like it just couldn't break the high and it's just over. But wait, this can't be true.
Order filled.
I really wanted 61. Sometimes I get fixated on the high and not the break number, which is 1 penny past it at least. Uh, is this low volume? 72 million shares traded. I guess because it's cheap, is you're saying that it should be higher volume. It did break that high though. Quite the slapper of a candle there. Come on, take it out. It's 161. Come on. Come on. Hey, that's what's up, HH. I'm telling you, this guy over here though. Come on, man, get it together. It's been uptrending for a minute on the one. That's the kind of the scary part. It did bump his head and it's trying to hold it up. Honestly, if it breaks down from there, should probably just reset and look for a chance to get back in. What's this? 170. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of risk off anyway. $175 is the high. I just need 184 and then we can start having some fun. Oh, this is the one with the gap fill. If it can get over 185. Not the news I was hoping for. Uncle Paul. Uncle Paul don't never like none of my trades. I mean, they have been pretty bad lately though, so I can't really be mad at Uncle Paul. Yeah, and I'm selling at the resistance, so might be the wrong mindset there. Man, this 5 minute candle seems like it's lasting forever. But this cool thing is there's almost no volume on this 5 minute candle compared to the other ones. Yeah. Well, we here now. We here now, Uncle Paul. So we'll see how it plays out. Kind of scary sitting here without my stop there. Straight like that, Trey. Hey, there we go. New high a day on INEO. Looking for 194. Both of these things are cooking nice for a brother. You can book that. Hey, I'm about to book some profits in a second. Inshallah. Matter of fact. That's a big volume candle right here through this high day. That's kind of scary. All right. It's kind of what I like. The volume does kind of die before my entry because the pullback needs to be on less volume. Like if I'm getting in on a pullback, it should be lower volume. And then I'm expecting it to come in on my entry. Like I'm hoping that all of the buyers are sitting there waiting. Ah, come on, bro. $188 and got slapped. What a slap too. Guess now we just hoping for the slam and hold. 174 looks solid. I got my stop at 173, 1 cent below my entry. So either we going or we gonna have a very small loss. So we'll see. Yeah, this high volume candle's super not cool. Yeah, on the one, it looks super climactic. But we're really just now getting going. Yeah, that first trade was trash, Uncle Paul. I can definitely concede to that with no arguments. The FOMO got me. Put me in a whole headlock. Nice. Bruh, all this chopping around. Nah, I like these trades, bro. Just need back over 175. Nice candle. That's not. It's holding up though. It's holding up. Come on, man. Back over 182. Yeah, I just look like the one is done with this uptrend though. Like it has to squeeze from here. Yeah. But I mean, I got my stop where it needs to be, so not really that worried about it. I don't know if I want to mess with it below 10. Well, I just need the higher high, so we'll see what happens. It hasn't made a high since this one. I mean, I don't know what you want me to do, Paul. Like, this trade is working very well. And this trade, I have my stop 1 cent below my entry. Like, what you want me to do, Uncle Paul? It's going well. I don't see the problem. Come on, hit it. Y'all got me messed up. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it.
Order filled.
Ah, you suck. $10 for that.
Order filled.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, hello. Yeah, those are like my favorite stocks, bro. Those are like my favorite mid caps. Oh my God. Dang. Nice trade on the five, too. That's cool. Yeah. I almost sold some through High Day, too. Man, 87 would have been cool. Oops. Okay, squeeze time. Hmm. I seen it coming too. Almost sold. I should have sold some more. Nah, but you can just see. Like, I just want to see what it's actually doing. Like, how is it reacting at resistance? What is it actually doing? Uh, that's all I'd be looking for. I mean, I'm in the trade, so half. Nah, I was about to sell another quarter up there right before it fell when I was looking at it on the one under this candle, but a little too slow with that thought process. What's this low? 55. Nah, forget that. Man, NAOV with a really nice retest right there, pre-market high and all that. This is nice right here. This hammer on volume. We can get back above that 175. I think we'll be pretty good. At least get back up to higher day, and I'll sell another quarter up there. See if we can break through. Oh yeah, in the sim. It's a nice pullback for sure. Came right back to the first high day. I mean, I'm in the trade, bro. What do you mean? I'm in it, bro. Yeah, NALV look cool. This might be the one right here. Higher high. It's a pretty nice reset. I'm really disappointed that I didn't get anything up. That's the one thing. If I was looking at the one, I think I would have felt more inclined to sell up here. But looking at the five, it just doesn't look like it did anything yet, you know. But volume wise, there definitely should have been a sell up here. I'm also trading two things at the same time too, so that's gonna have an effect on some of these. Yeah, it sure was. Straight down. I really, there was no reason for me to be a part of that trade, that stock today.
Order filled.
All right, we got another one back on the high day retest on GP. Dang, a quarter just to give me another $5. That feels kind of high. Definitely keeping that stop there now. Thanks, Trey. Trying to be tactical, man, and just sell where you're supposed to sell at. Instead of all the hoping. Yeah, I'm really sad I didn't get anything off up here. Something. I almost sold through this high, but I was being patient. It didn't seem like 196 was that far away. Didn't seem like too much to ask for. But okay, good. I am coming off of my real account. So that. 3 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. Mm. 61. Need a high over 944 for a KZIA to even be thought of for me. Come on, man. It has been uptrending forever, though. Like, it has to pull back. It's chilling, though. Long. Still ain't made one higher high yet, though. This that downtrend right here, bro. I hope it's the bottom, though. I'd love to join you. Yeah, yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, 944 breaks, and then I'll have some interest. But as of right now, it's below the EMA, just kind of tapping it and moving further down, tapping it, moving further down. So I must wait. Over 10. Yeah, I really don't want it under this yellow line, honestly. Honestly. But at least if we can get a higher high and maybe some volume coming in, we could talk. But man, you really ain't want to go higher, bro. Buyers, is that you? Quiet. KZIA over here. A little uptrend started on the 1. Still waiting for that 40 break. 44. 15 got some nice narrow range candles going too, man. Just need that 44. Almost take it off to 15.
Order filled.
Man. All right. Time is it? 10:30. Walk away with the bag. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Another lower high, 932. What up, Jack? Yeah, she did real nice, man. Real nice. Mm. Yeah, it's looking like that for me too today. I mean, I'm gonna chill till 11. If nothing sets up here in the next few minutes, we'll be done. Not really seeing much, honestly. Um, Still can't get a higher high on KZIA. That Joker's still downtrending. Gotta wait for that higher high. The higher high is the actual break of the trend line to me. Um, there really didn't seem like there was a great. I guess you could mark that. No, it's way too much underwater at that point. Mm, yeah. Got a little EMA reset over here on HSDT. Yeah, $8 loss. It doesn't hurt the feelings or the account very much. That's for sure. The max loss days is ridiculous. I like it's inexcusable. But it's definitely there for a reason. I really want to take this on the 15 right here. Over 140. We got volume picking up too. Slightly. It's still a pretty wide stop. It's easy to borrow. Yeah, it's underneath a lot too now. I would think it's more likely to hit 10 and then keep going down. $9.73. Where'd you say you put your stop? Man. It'd be like a 50-cent stop. It's the third green candle up though. The 15-minute looks really nice to just take it off of there, but just now getting the higher high over 944. So let's see if it actually wants to go up. $8.89. Yeah, I really wanted to take it over 944, but 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row. I'm gonna try and wait. It's looking good though, Trey. Oh yeah, you got some volume coming in there now. I'm just trying and wait for a little pullback candle. Even though this one kind of is, this is actually a pretty good candle right here. I mean, it's green, but it is a pullback. There's the red. It's downtrend until it's not. Yeah, but I gotta be willing to miss it, Uncle Paul. That's the only way you're gonna get good entries. Now this is starting to look a little better again. Kind of like that. Same support I bought off last time. Almost the same trade. The trade hit 1-to-1. Don't start with that stuff. That's the entry. Yo, it's there on the one already. Like,
Order filled.
ooh, that's late. $59. I got 66, so it's under 10. Yeah, I'm selling at 10 for sure. I do wish I had my stop under there though, but it should hold if it's gonna go anyway. Spread is getting kind of whippy. Almost 10 cents. Man, you almost there. I done bought where you about to sell, Trey. Nah, the 15 looks great though. There we go. Oh yeah, I can't sell at 10. That would be absolutely pointless.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Green Day is locked. Last trade of the day. We ain't got that many shares, but it's all to the good. All to the good. Right. All right, we got 5 minutes to see what's gonna happen. Oh, can we get 12? You got slippage to the upside. I love it when that happens, bro. Nice. Yeah, when I used to keep my orders out there for the penny stocks, I would get slipped up a lot. Yes, sir. That was clean. Just had to wait for that red candle, man. Checked all the boxes, got the EMA reset. This was the high that I wanted to get over. We got over that high with that candle. And this was the low. So pulled back to there, stop under there. Enter on the higher high break. Sell the halt, baby. That was nice. Yeah, that's the only thing. But the trend line break and the retake of the EMA to me is pretty strong. And yeah, I mean, you know, something's got to break through there. Yeah, me too. Now we at 1041. Hmm. Man, NAOV with a really nice EMA reset on the 5. Pull back to pre-market high. This is a really good little consolidation. 25 bucks. I know, bro. Things tend to work out. If only I didn't take that stupid first trade on KZIA, man. We'd be sitting real pretty right now. But we working on it every day, man. 1% better every day. That's all we trying to do, man. Just little baby steps. 945 gang is really helpful. And then just the checklist. Like, you guys are really helpful today reminding me about the checklist. Because I just totally spazzed on that first trade. But yeah, man, EMA reset, higher high. The higher low is a little dynamic, but I definitely don't want, like, if it crashes down back into the last price level, then no, I'm straight. But I've been taking a lot of these type of entries where you make the high and then the next candle trades lower and then breaks the high, and so that it's basically a higher low on the one, this level right here. So oh yeah, I'm definitely anxious to take some profits. I'm really hoping for 1123. Let's actually, I'm gonna put an order out, but I'm still gonna have my stuff hovering. I know it won't let me place the order though. It's kind of whack. How are these? How does this number get affected if I can't put orders in? Like, how do people run up the ask? Just the market makers running it up. I'm telling you, bro. I really think it can. What's this? I know, bro. I want to be a little patient. I only got 30 shares. Oh, Lord.
Order filled.
Oh, Lord. Hold on, man. Hold on, dog.
Order filled.
Hey, hold on a second. I know, man. I know. I've just been not taking the shares for so long, bro. I gotta take some, you know. But I got 18 shares left. You know, whatever. Yeah, that's really what this is all about. I mean, I'm trading $25 risk. It's the training wheels are on, you know. This is like what do you call trader rehab right now. So it's not that big of a deal how many shares I got right now. We're just trying to do good executions, and this is fantastic. I mean, fantastic. I'm really happy with that. So, you know, it'll be fun to see where it goes and, you know, what executions we can get. You know, 1322. That's my next level up past pre-market high. I don't really see a reason to sell at pre-market high at this point after getting this off at 1180s, maybe 70 something. So yeah, pretty cool, man. I still got $42 unrealized with 18 shares. No way. Oh, it's gonna open at 12. Is that real? Oh yeah, my entry's 966. Yo, I didn't even realize, bro. We are mad dollars in the money right now. Hold on, man. Let me get where my GIFs at, bro. uh, why doesn't it work? When you buy the reversal under VWAP, yeah, you got in super early. I got in. I got in as early as I could after my rules allowed me to. I know, right? Look at the damn Leon. This is not that big volume for sure. Okay, it kind of looks big on the one though. It looks big on the one. But on the 5, it doesn't look that crazy. Dang, this looks wild on the 1. Ding, boy, look at that. Bye. I could have done without this sale for sure, but whatever. Yeah. I really wanted to get in right here. But just trying to stick to the 5, man. Trying to stick to the 5. NALV over here getting me kind of interested. It's retaking the EMA. Still don't have a higher high yet, though. That would be 136, 137. Yeah, you did. You did. I'm jumping the gun. A minute 20 seconds left on this halt. What time is it? 10:57. So we're definitely not taking any more trades today. We're just gonna ride out KZIA, man. What's this 1175 resumption? What is this? I don't want to give back nothing, honestly, but I think I will go like under this candle, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go like 1049. Oh, that's a lot to give back, bro. That's a lot to give back. I don't want to give back anything. It's above high a day though, so I mean it really shouldn't crash all the way back through. I think it has more likelihood of squeezing higher, but it's already done 2 squeezes. We are getting steak today. Yeah, and that's one of the reasons I really enjoyed my time in mid caps knives. The price action's a lot more tradable, more rational, I would say. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. Burr, 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 burr.
Order filled.
All right, now I'm chilling. Now I'm chilling. No, I'm chilling. I'm not letting it go under 11 though. I mean, we could chill. Only got 9 shares. Just let it ride. Yeah, let's let it ride. I don't want that pre-market squeeze. We might get like 15 or something. Tell it, Paul. Come on, man. Don't you dare come back down here. Well, at least let me put my stop in at under 10. Halted down. Them Billies, man. Super nasty candle. Oh my God. Oh, the 980s, the resumption. Hey, I sold. You see that top ticker there, boy? Hey, yeah, HH, boy. Yeah, I should have gotten all the way out. My little 9 shares down to $5. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. Might as well. Yeah. Right there. It's cool. Yeah, I was thinking that too, man. That third halt. You gotta show me what you be seeing, Paul, because they don't be looking trash to me, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm feeling good about that knives. You know? 9 shares for the YOLO for the dream is way better than half of my position for the dream. You know? It doesn't make sense. Like, bro, I'm super happy with these executions now. I was feeling a little sketchy about this one, but this is nice. Good lord. I love top ticking candles, bro. It's my pleasure. NAOV getting some volume over here. Looking good on the one. Still waiting on a higher high, which is 37. Yeah. Thanks, Knives. Platform shut it down. Yeah, good job, Trey. Shut it on down. We got 3 minutes left on this halt. Hey, look, it's back up to 1044 on the ask. That's cool. Because it was at 980 a second ago. I was like, no. Go back up. Yeah, that's a nasty candle, though. Look at all that volume. Good lord. But now if we get over that high, you know it's going to go crazy. Highly unlikely, though. Highly unlikely. I don't know. We'll see. My experience on these small cap halts and all that stuff is like from 2 years ago. So, yeah, there's the 15-minute right there, bro. Clean entry on the 15 at pre-market high. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got the higher high yet? Double top. Double top at 136. One minute. See, Trey, this is my spot though. After the EMA reset, bro, that was like the greatest discovery in my journey. Like this criteria right here, the EMA reset, waiting for it to sell off, trade beneath the EMA, and then retake it. Like that's my spot. Same here. Trade below the EMA, retakes it, get in, boom, boom. That's my spot, man. I really didn't realize I was still trying the higher high all over the place. But this is the sauce, the reset. All right, here we go. 40 seconds, 45 seconds. Ask is at 1067. Stop is at 989. 9 shares for the YOLO. Average entry. Yep. Average entry 966. Well, I only took one entry, so my position is 966. I'm hoping for 15. Nah, I would like to just get my stop up under this candle. That would be cool, you know. I know, bro. That would be so awesome. because the squeeze would be tremendous. There's the buyers. Come on, baby. Squeeze that puppy up there. 1176 is the haul level. I'm not selling into that. I'm gonna go all the way closer to break even. Cause I mean, I'm not tripping over $5. Yo, what up, Nova? Yeah, man, I'm trying to dig my way out of trader rehab, bro, one day at a time. Hopefully, I can graduate out by the end of this week. Well, I've only got 2 days left, but I think I can do it. Yeah, appreciate it, man. I've just gotten a lot more clarity on my system, and I've been getting a lot more trades in outside of trading hours. That's been helping tremendously, man. Just getting the reps in over and over and making a mistake and stopping and then restarting the trade, and just kind of fixing it. Cause it's all mental. It's all in my head, bro. Like I know how to trade, but I just keep sticking that stick in my front wheel. So today was great. I know, man. This is the battle. Can we survive? NAOV over here looking. I wish it broke that high though. It literally just double topped right there. That's no go. Yo, this thing is holding pretty nice. Until it isn't. I mean, it only take one order to come in and knock this thing down to $8 and all my profits with it. Yeah, everybody that shorted under 10 is hurting badly. The shorts under 11 are very nervous. And the shorts at 12, they cooking right now. They feeling pretty good, pretty confident. Pre-market high shorters, they're feeling great. I know, man. I'm glad I'm out the way with profit in the bag. Just gotta survive the pullback, man. Just gotta Yeah, I wish I could have gotten out though. This happened super fast though, like one candle. I'm gonna get better at these halts though. Inshallah. Okay, okay. That was my hot button. It puts out uh what does it do? It puts out an order at ask minus 1. Just tap that joint, seen it pop and just pop. I got pretty good at timing them though. I got a bunch of screenshots of me hitting those tops like that. I just hit the key. The key throws it out there. It literally just sends an order at ask minus 1. Yeah, it's a limit order though. On the RCal route. Yeah, I like that way because it gives me I get ECN credits for all these sales. Yeah, it does look over. Hey, but we got, we got what we needed out of it. I had 60 shares to start with, and I only got 9 left, and I got them out up there. So it's all good. See if it holds 10, though. It could happen. Mm. There's the 80s. Back in the 90s. Back over 10. Back in the 80s. ZTXTIA. 394. That's a nice entry. Let's see here. Ew, she's extenderoni. After the highest volume. Ooh, brave one he is. Yeah, I'd say she might run, but I think it's going to magnet to at least 375. We shall see. Oh, snaps. Back over 10 like a mug. 1050? That's kind of nice. Come on, buyers. Squeeze them out. Man, came to 1 cent of my stop loss. Stop placement is key. Come on, 1050. Yeah. It's definitely a seller's game right now. I got a little hope though. A little bit. A little bit. If we can take out 1050 on this next candle, I think we're gooch. 11 is really a huge level with this big old candle right here. Oh, I'm definitely not getting back in. It does kind of look good over 1050 though, now that you say something. Now that you mention it. Nah, I'm literally done though. I'm these are my laws. Hold on. These are my laws. I believe in them. I will trade by them. I'm not taking any entries after 11. That being said, this thing looks fire over 1050. We shall see. Did that candle close green? Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Man, we went to 1054. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, man. All right, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the stop up just under 10 now.
Order filled.
All right. Cool. Cool. Now it's going to go. Now it's going to go. You dirty rat. I should have kept my stop where it was. You dirty rat. I ain't gonna look at it. What you got? XTIA. Whoa, nice work there, man. Yeah, I was worried about this joint wanting to pull back, but yeah, man. She went on about the thing. Nice work there, HH. Bravo, sir. Yo, NAOV's looking pretty nice too. Yeah, that looks really good. No higher high though. You still have to wait for 37 to break to me. Or you could buy here and sell at 37. I don't know. But how do we do today? Great trading on HSDT. Good entry on INEO. I wish I would have gotten profit there, but I'm not going to be mad at myself. You know, I raised up my stop. We only lost 0.3R on it. I'm totally okay with this. You know, I was trying to get up to this resistance line and get some sales off there. Just couldn't quite make it. It'd be like that sometimes. I did the right thing by tightening up my stop, so I'm totally happy with that. Just upset with myself for this. Like, this is just total consolidation. Just like way too early, bro. No, we got no EMA reset at all in pre-market, right? None. And all I had to do was wait for that one criteria to establish itself. Top thing on my checklist right here. And boom, we wait for that. It does the thing. I do the thing. We enter. Boom, boom, boom. Like, great. Great. That's all it needs to be, man. So yeah, the thing that needs to be done is known. It works. Just got to be patient and do it every day, man. Today was a great step towards the journey of success and discipline and doing what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, all trades were good except that first trade. But I gathered myself well. I didn't spiral out and get emotional or anything. Held it down, waited for the next trade, the good setup, stake all day. Yeah, man. It's just nice to, hey, 2 green days in a row. Hey, bruh. All right, tell me what's wrong with INEO. Actually, stake all day trader. That's funny. Nah, but definitely this is definitely. I mean, it's below most of the pre-market trading volume, so it is definitely less than ideal. I can see that, Paul. I can see that. Put a little too much weight on this, the trend line, but the trend line is really great when it's above my line in the sand. And I just made a new line in the sand, which wasn't a good idea. But I mean, you know, as far as executing the setup, great work. I just wish I would have got some sales off up there. But yeah, I see that too, man. And that's what I'm trying to, I really want to stay, I want to stay above the trading volume, you know? And it's too much underwater up here. I mean, you got these big volume candles up here above this level. And I shouldn't be trading against it. Even the opening volume candle, like, yeah. But anyway, man, I feel like we're taking our steps back towards the trader that I know I am and can be. Um, yeah. The thing is just sticking to the process every day and not letting yesterday affect today. Yeah, you called it, T-Lo. I really appreciated your message this morning, bro. That was solid, man. Appreciate you. But yeah, just stick to the process, man. Rigid on the daily watch criteria and rigid on the entries, man. And all I gotta do is wait, bro. The more I see it happen, the more I'm willing to be patient. Like this entry on what was that? Yeah, it was really hard to be patient for this red candle. But one, two, three green candles in a row, that's a long uptrend on the one, bro. Um, and really the same situation for this. When you get a wide range green candle, that's a big move on the one. You know, it needs to chill. So, and that's why I don't like on the daily chart, I don't want to trade after a wide range candle because it usually needs to chill. It's the same intraday. You know, you don't want to enter after a big wide range move. Yeah, don't overstay your welcome. Ah, bro, look at that. Look at that. Just needed to leave my stop where it was. Stop placing this key. I was getting all aggressive with my 9 shares. Like, bro, just leave it at break even and relax. I always do that with my last leg. Like, literally always. But it's all good. I'm just glad that was only 9 shares and I did the dang on thing up there. It's going to be a nice trip to the gym today, man. Nice trip to the gym today. And come back, go over the trades, get back in the sim, get some reps in, and come back ready to do it again tomorrow. Yeah, man. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me as always. Super appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And yeah, I know, right? All right, y'all. Be safe out here. Peace. What y'all doing still here, man? Hey, man. I appreciate you for hanging out, man. It means a lot. Hit that like button in case you haven't done it yet. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.